An ornamental chicken. Very beautiful. You see the cock?
Sultan family.
Yeah, the Sultan family. Very beautiful.
This is the most interesting. Now, this is where the interesting part comes. Watch the video to the end. Subscribe, comment, like. If you're willing, share. Part 2.
So 6,000 times 200. That's around 120.
Guys,
Yeah.
do the math.
Yeah, you see? You get good money, my friend. Money is in farming, my friend.
Money.
Money is in farming. Forget about these office jobs. Do a little bit of office. I have no problem with office job, but also mix it. Do something else. Diversify. Yeah, it's good to diversify. Yeah.
What came in your mind so you decided to use the type of fence?
This fence, one thing is cheap. It's affordable. Like you see, this is just a normal post from timber. Then you just buy the chain link, and you're in business. It's very easy, and if I want, I can transfer it because I just want to make sure that I use as much as I can the locally available materials.
Nice.
Yeah.
We have another section here.
Yeah, there's another section here. This one, like I told you, I want to transfer the goods this side.
So the goods are going to stay.
Yeah, the goods now will be staying there. Here we have also some poultry, the ornamental ones. Like for example, here we are very nice. You see, like this one, they have just laid eggs. You can see that's a Polish egg. Very nice. We have very beautiful Polish here. Very beautiful ones. You can see the cocks. Actually, these ones are ready for selling. If you want, how much we sell one at 9,000 shillings. 9,000 shillings that we give. See the eggs? They are complaining. The eggs is ready. We have eggs here and very beautiful ones. Polish chicken are actually one of the best, the beautiful chicken. You can keep it for egg, keep it for beauty, keep it for meat.
How much usually they go for?
9,000 shillings.
9,000.
Yeah, the mature one.
How many eggs per year?
Eggs per year, they'll give me around 250 to 300 eggs. For Polish, I know some people say that it will give you, yeah, exactly. Some people say that it will give you a few eggs, maybe 200, 150. But it depends also with the way you are taking care of them.
And I can see some Brahmas there.
Yeah, here we have Brahmas. We also have some Polish. We have Kuchi. We have Sultan. You can see there's a very beautiful. Yeah, there's a very beautiful.
I've never seen.
Let me show you. Let me show you. We have a Sultan here. Sultan. Yeah. Yeah. Very beautiful. This is Sultan.
Sultan.
Yeah.
So guys, here's the Sultan.
Look at the comb. Very beautiful.
Nice.
An ornamental chicken. Very beautiful. You see the cock? Wonderful.
So if you in Mombasa, the Sultan family.
Yeah, the Sultan family. Very beautiful.
Nice. How much do they go for this Sultan?
Sultan we sell at 15,000. Those are rare breeds. Those are rare breeds.
Rare breeds. And how many eggs per year?
The eggs will give you around 100 to 150. For them, they don't lay so many eggs. Yeah. Here we also have the broilers.
The broilers.
These are special type of broiler. Very nice ones. A special type of broiler. You see, like this one.
How old is it?
This is our 1 week old. Yeah, and you see the way it has grown. Very, very big. You see?
1 week and it's almost 1 kg.
Yeah, it's almost 1 kg. Very soon, in the next 3 to 4 weeks, they'll be ready for meat.
Nice.
Yeah. If you feed them well, they grow very fast. And this type, the ones which have we do not have feathers in the neck, these ones they're very good because they're very resilient. They can survive. They're not easily affected by diseases. Exactly, not like the other ones. And this is what is now coming in the market.
Nice.
For those who know, they like this one. So this one sometimes this ones I just keep them for.
What do you have here?
Here I had some Here I had some ducklings, but I transferred them to the other space so that at least I can take care of all of them at once. We have very nice ducklings here, different types. Here we have different types of ducklings. We have the black Swedish, we have the Welsh Harlequin, we have the Rouen, we have the Pekin, we have the Khaki Campbell.
Khaki Campbell.
Yeah, exactly. So different types of.
And how much will you go for all the day?
Here we have around 2 months to 3 months old. So depending on the age, I'll sell at 1,500 to 2,500, depending on the age. Yeah, but the mature ones are actually very expensive. Yeah.
Now,
very nice ones.
Before we go any further,
yes, please.
How can people find you?
So if you want to find me, it's very easy. You can use my mobile contact. That is 0721 205576.
Nice.
Then I'll repeat 0721 205576. I'm in Kilifi. You come if you want us to talk business. If you want to start a small poultry farm, let us talk. If you want to buy eggs, if you want to buy chicks, if you want to buy mature poultry, just let me know. Just give me a call.
There are the people that are interested coming here just to see what you have.
Yes, please.
Do you charge them or is it for free?
It will depend. It will depend. If it's an organization, I will charge. But if a smallholder farmer, somebody who would want to start, then why not? We can spare a few minutes just to try to guide you on what you need to do.
Nice.
Yeah, exactly. But for an organization, then we'll have to charge.
Nice.
Yes.
What do you have here?
Here is the same. The broilers.
Broiler.
We just have there. We have 2 doors. You see? Yeah. So.
Let's see how 100
because the broilers.
Yeah.
The broilers. The number that is here.
The price.
The price. No. This ones you don't sell. This is mostly for me to eat. It's just for family. For family. For us to eat in the family. It's easier. Like I said, always try as much as possible not to reduce buying from outside. Have your own things.
And how is your cow healthy and there's no grass here?
No, we feed. We bring some fodder. We also feed him with. We feed him with some chicken. I mean, market remains. We bring watermelon. We bring avocado. We bring vegetables from the market, and we feed this cow. Very healthy. This is Coco. Coco. Very nice, beautiful. A very good guy. I bought him. I brought him when he was still very young, but now you can see. Actually, I brought him when he was just 1 month old, and I bought to feed him. Now he's a big guy. He's a big guy. This is our friend, Coco. So I think that's good.
Some pigs here.
Yeah, we have very nice pigs here. These are pigs that we have here. We have quite a number. You can come here. You see some here. They are sleeping. They are taking a siesta. You can see them. Very nice one.
Now I can see some watermelons here.
The watermelons here. These are for. These are actually for our pigs and for Coco. You know, and exactly. The cow, exactly. And also sometimes we also give them to the poultry. Yeah, watermelon is really very good for them.
Nice.
And this is the incubator, the capacity of 524 eggs. 524 eggs. Each of these trays will carry about 88 eggs, and there are 6 of them here. Yeah, and at the moment this is not running. Of course, it's working, but it's not running. But sometimes I just use them also to just bring up the young ones until they're strong enough. Then I can take them outside. Yeah. So here we have the Polish, we have the ducklings, different types. You see, like this is Khaki Campbell. This is the Pekin.
How old are they?
These ones are just 1 week old.
1 week.
Exactly.
Nice.
Yeah. Nice. So we have them here, and later we'll take them outside so that they can grow better.
And what do we have here?
Here, these are the feeds that we use to feed our poultry. This is the maize bran. This is the grower, and you also have the starter. Yeah, yeah. Starter is normally very good to bring up the chicks and the duckling. Yeah, but for the mature ones, what we do is that we mix the bran together with the grower. One, just to make sure that we are able to reduce the cost of the feed, because feeds are very expensive now, very expensive. If you ask any poultry farmer, will tell you the greatest problem that we are having now is the feed. The cost of feed is very high. So we are trying as much as possible to mix it in a way that it's pocket friendly and it's also friendly to our poultry, so that they are also able to benefit.
And the thing is called biometrics. Is it biometrics?
Exactly. Biometrics.
Is it called the? What is it called? The thing
biosafety. Okay.
Bio what?
Biosafety.
Yeah, biosafety.
Oh, I hear you. Yes. You are right. You are right.
Much about agriculture, so.
I understand. Yes, it's true. It's true. Yes, you are right. We need to have it. Like I said, we are just starting in a small way, but very soon, probably when you come next time, we'll make sure that we have it here. But again, what we are doing is that we are trying as much as possible to reduce the contact of between the visitors and the poultry. That's why even the fencing is there, so that when you come, you can just try to see from far, but you should not be able to get in contact with them. So, but it's true, this is something that we are also planning to have the one where we can have disinfection to reduce the contamination of some bacteria or fungi to our poultry. Yeah. Good. This is a large white.
Large white.
Yeah, the mother is on the other side, so you can see them. Very nice ones. This one's in the next 2 to 3 months. They'll be ready for slaughter. Exactly.
Nice.
Yeah. So this is what we do in a small way, young guys. Guys, this is what we do. If you want, just have something to do. It's good to do something. It keeps you going, just to keep you busy. Apart from what you're doing, a normal job, just start some small things like this, and they'll keep you going.
What's your advice to someone that want to start a business but has a smaller space?
Yes.
They're living in the city.
Good. That's a very good question. Like I said, urban farming is the real thing. If you want to do something, when you're in the urban center, you have a small space, you can have poultry. Poultry is the easiest to have because it doesn't require a bigger space. Just have a small house, a small room, keep them there. You can start with a very small, just 1 or 2. Then that's good. It's good for you to keep going, and that will help you. At least you'll have some eggs, you'll have meat to eat and something like that, so it will be good for you.
Nice.
Yeah. So I think, in short, these are some of the things that we are doing here, and I hope next time when you come, you'll have even you'll be able to see more. Coco.
So if you tell my viewers to subscribe to my channel, Caps Evan.
Yes, kindly please subscribe to Evan channel. You said it's what?
Caps Evan.
Caps Evan. I think this is a very tough name. Caps Evan's channel. Let's support him so that we can also help to spread the news so that we can have a wider impact to the community, to one another. I think this is the only way we can be able to improve and be able to solve the problem of food insecurity, particularly in Kenya.
Nice.
Thank you.
Now guys, we're ending the video with our friend Coco here. So make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. Till we meet next time.
Thank you.
Till we meet.
Till we meet next time. Bye bye.